In sedatives and hypnotics, we are discussing the classification. We have seen all the sedative hypnotics, they can be broadly classified into two classes, that is barbiturates and non-barbiturates. Then further we have gone through what do you mean by barbiturates, how they are further classified depending on their duration of action, and then non-barbiturates, that means those sedatives and hypnotics which do not contain barbituric acid chemical structure in their structure. So benzodiazepines, aldehyde and its derivatives. Then next category under non-barbiturate was acyclic hypnotics containing nitrogen, under which first subclass is carbamates, example meprobamate, second is amides, example triacetaamide, oxanaamide, valnoctaamide. Then next class is urides, example capuride, then ictyluria. Then fourth subclass is other cyclic nitrogen containing hypnotics. One should make correction here that next subclass is or under non-barbiturates is other cyclic nitrogen containing hypnotics or piperidine and quinazolinones. Example methylprilone glutathione. Then next major category under non-barbiturates is acetylene derivatives, example eth chlorvinol. Then last category is other sedative and hypnotics, or you can say miscellaneous sedative and hypnotics, which include inorganic compounds, example potassium bromide or etomidate. Then antihistaminics and anticholinergics, example diphenhydramine. Then next endogenous sleep producing factors and plant extracts. So here we come to the end of classification of sedatives and hypnotics. Now some books classify this triclophosodium under alcohol category, as triclophosodium is actually a prodrug which gets converted in body into alcohol. Now prodrugs are those substances which when taken at the time of taking they are in inactive form, and inside our body or in vivo they get converted into an active form. This type of agent we came across in our first sessional syllabus, that is sulfonamides. Now we are switching our discussion to the first drug under sedatives and hypnotics, which is one of the important agent and which have got multiple uses, that is phenobarbital or phenobarbital. Now when you go through the structure of phenobarbital, you will find the substituent molecule on barbituric acid at position 5 are a phenyl ring and a ethyl molecule. Now all the barbituric acids generally have, or all the barbituric acid derivative will generally have substitution at position 5. You can refer them as R and R dash. So in case of phenobarbital, R is suppose ethyl and R dash is phenyl. Rest everything is same as in case of barbituric acid, and same will be the case with all barbituric acid derivatives. They will generally have substitution at position 5. Now we all know the except substituent molecules at position 5, a rest structure is known as barbituric acid, or chemically it is known as 2,4,6 pyrimidine trione. Now just we have to write the names of substituent and their position. So 5-ethyl comma 5-phenyl, we are writing in alphabetical order. Ethyl comes first, E comes first, P P comes later, that's why. 5-ethyl comma 5-phenyl barbituric acid, or 5-ethyl comma 5-phenyl hyphen 2 comma 4 comma 6 hyphen pyrimidine trione. Now here you might be observing that in case of barbituric acid, in after 2 comma 4 comma 6, inside bracket it is written 1H comma 3H comma 5H. What does this indicate? That when you observe the structure of barbituric acid, it is actually perhydropyrimidine. That means hydrogen is present everywhere before the substitution by carbonyl group at position 2, 4 and 6. So everywhere there was hydrogen, or you can say in the structure of barbituric acid, presently at position 1, position 3 and position 5, you can see that there are hydrogens. Okay, the double bonds of pyrimidine has been removed because of substitution by carbonyl group. So obviously the rest of the atoms valency will be satisfied by hydrogen. So that's why it is written 1 comma 3 comma 5H. So your drug or the barbiturates which will be falling under sedative hypnotic chapter, they are actually the derivative of 2 comma 4 comma 6 pyrimidine, because the basic nucleus is pyrimidine, 1H, 3H, 5H. The changes which are there apart from pyrimidine. So at position 1, 3 and 5 you are having hydrogens. So that is the meaning of 1H, 3H and 5H.